How to adjust brightness and contrast in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the GoPro Quik app on your device. Next, navigate to the Studio tab located at the bottom of the screen. Then select the video or photo you want to edit. Tap on the Edit button to access the editing tools. After that, look for the Adjust icon and tap on it. Here you can use the sliders to increase or decrease the brightness and contrast levels to enhance your video or photo. Move the brightness slider to make the image lighter or darker as needed. Then adjust the contrast slider to make the colors pop or soften the details depending on the look you want to achieve. Take your time to preview the changes and make sure the adjustments match your style. Once you are satisfied with the brightness and contrast settings, tap Save to apply the changes to your video or photo. Now you know how to adjust brightness and contrast in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.